Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Vivo X70 Pro Plus. The Vivo X70 Pro Plus Mobile 2021 released on September 9th. The phone has a 6.408-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels. The Vivo X70 Pro Plus is powered by a 1.8 GHz octacore Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor with one core at 3 GHz, 3 cores at 2.41 GHz, and 4 cores at 1.8 GHz. It comes with 8 GB RAM. The Vivo X70 Pro Plus runs Android 11 and has a 4500 mAh battery. Vivo X70 Pro Plus supports proprietary fast charging. As for the cameras, the Vivo X70 Pro Plus packs a quad camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary camera with an f2.2 aperture, 50-megapixel camera with f1.57 aperture, 12-megapixel camera with f1.6 aperture, and 8-megapixel camera with f3.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has a single front camera for selfies with f2.45 aperture with 32-megapixel sensor. The Vivo X70 Pro Plus runs on Android 11 based Originos 1.0 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The Vivo X70 Pro Plus is a dual SIM, GSM mobile phone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. Vivo X70 Pro Plus weight 209.00 g. It is available in black, blue and orange. Connectivity options on the Vivo X70 Pro Plus include Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11a b GAN, AC, yes, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.20, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G, Band 40 supports LTE networks in India. The phone's sensors include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor.